Hi friend! Recall that in the last few lessons we learned about sole proprietorship. We learned that it is a type of privately owned business. So, in this lesson, we will learn about partnership, which is another type of privately owned business. Ebrima, Omar, and Fatu have just graduated from law school and intend to set up a legal startup named Ebrima and Partners, which focuses on providing legal contracts and backing for online creators. The main aim of this startup is to make a profit. Now, when 2 or 3 people come together to run a business, it is called a partnership. In other words, Ebrima, Omar, and Fatu have just formed a partnership. A partnership is a type of business organization in which 2 to 20 people agree to legally set up and manage a business with the aim of making a profit. Now, keep in mind that partnerships must involve 2 to 20 people. Well, except for banking businesses where the required number of partners is a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 10. So, how do we identify a partnership? The first characteristics of a partnership is that it is owned by more than one person. Now, take Ebrima and Partners as an example. It is owned by 3 partners, but can expand to 20 if the need arises. However, if it were a banking business, they would only be able to expand to 10. Another characteristic of partnerships like Ebrima and Partners is that they are set up with the sole aim of making a profit. The next characteristics of a partnership would be the capital contribution. This means that in order to start a partnership, the partners need to contribute the equal capital. So to set up the business, Ebrima, Omar, and Fatu had to pool their resources together based on a legal agreement. This is a feature of partnership. Another characteristic is that the partners in the partnership have unlimited liability. In a partnership, members are collectively and individually liable for debts, losses, and other obligations. Ebrima, Omar, and Fatu are equally liable in their legal startup. This means that if they had any outstanding debts, the partners would be required to pay their creditors. And in the event that they cannot pay, their personal property can be sold to repay. Just like sole proprietorship, a partnership is not a separate legal entity. The partners and the business are the same according to the law. If Ebrima and Partners were sued for any crime, the partners will be arrested. The partners usually manage and control the business. Ebrima, Omar, and Fatu are the managers and controllers of the business. This is all for us, friends. I hope we have learned that a partnership is a type of business organization in which 2 to 20 people agree to legally set up and manage a business with the aim of making a profit, yes. So in the next lesson, we'll discuss the sources of capital for partnership. I'll see you there.